Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video is going to be super fun because in today's video I'm going to show you my top 4 birthday dresses which I personally wore and absolutely loved all those dresses. And if you are someone who is really confused that what to wear and how to wear for birthday, so this video is going to be very helpful for you guys. So let's get started. So basically guys, ये वो dresses हैं जिन्हें मैंने खुद choose किया था for my own birthday celebration, and then I thought why not to share them with you guys, so you can also get some birthday outfit inspiration. And these dresses are genuinely so pretty. I will also mention the link in the description box so you can check out them easily. So the first look is, which you can see that, where I'm wearing white tube top pairing it with black mini skirt. और इस outfit के साथ as you can see that मैंने black heel पहनी है यहाँ. तो ये outfit है जो मैंने 2022 में पहना था. But of course ये exact outfit नहीं है, as you know that कि 2022 कब था and this year is 2026. तो एग्जैक्ट आउटफिट तो मैं क्रिएट नहीं कर पाई क्योंकि अब उनकी क्वालिटी भी बेकार हो गई है एंड आई डोंट नो कि अब वो कहाँ है. दैट्स वाई तो मैंने उन्हीं से मिलता जुलता यहाँ पर क्रिएट किया है क्योंकि मैंने उस वक्त भी यही चीज़ पहनी थी, लाइक ब्लैक स्कर्ट दैट इज़ मिनी स्कर्ट एंड ऑल्सो या वाइट टॉप. तो उसी की तरह मैंने यहाँ पर ट्राई किया है. एंड इफ़ यू आर समवन हु वांट्स क्यूट एंड effortless birthday look, so this outfit is perfect for you guys. And the next one is this dress. As you can see that this dress is all about body fitting hug. The ruched design, you know, makes it more flattering and a little bold. And when I wore this dress on my birthday na, everyone was loving it. Everyone was asking for a link. Oh, from where you bought this dress, from where you bought this dress. And let me tell you guys, ये dress जो है मैंने सवाना से buy की थी and it cost me 1000 to 1500. Yeah. And the third one is more classy and elegant. And you know what's the best part that I love the most? The sleeve details and the soft color. This is giving, you know, a very graceful birthday vibe. And this dress I bought from New Me. Yeah. This dress I bought from New Me, and same reaction of all the buddies. I'm so sorry guys, like important call aa gaya tha, so I had to pick the call. Now let's continue. So what I was saying that this dress is perfect for calm celebration or dinner. And yes, that's it for this dress. Now let's move forward for the next dress. Okay, so the last dress but not the least is this. I love this dress, and this dress is very special for me. Like, I have shown you all the 4 dresses including this, so this one is my favorite and also the special one, the long elegant brown gown. And this dress, you know, giving a very mature and royal vibes. So this dress is perfect for you if you want to feel extra on your birthday. And I bought this dress from कहाँ से खरीदी थी मैंने ये?
अबे जल्दी बोल, कल सुबह पनवेल निकलना है.
From Savannah. Yes, I bought this dress from Savannah. So yeah guys, these were my birthday looks over the years. Let me know that which dress was your favorite, and all the links are in the description below. Bye bye, take care.